Welcome back. In this video we will be using the date picker component from the Ant Design. If you are new to Ant Design, I have added link to the eye icon and in the description for the intro video on Ant Design integration. Alright, so let's start using the date picker component from Ant Design. Okay, so import date picker, and by default it will show like this one, and on press it will show date picker, and you can move between years and between months and choose any of the date, and by passing the picker type, so you can pick by date, by month, by quarter, and time, week and year as well. So let's pick by month, save. So now it will only show the month, right? So, and if it is the year, so it will now only show the years, and if it is the quarter, sorry, okay, so now you can select the quarters of any year. Okay, so also there is a one type, suppose there is a use case that you want to you need to pick a date range, so the from date and the to date. So for that there is another subtype, range picker. So that is under the date picker, so it will show the start date and end date. So in the start date you pick the date, and then it move to end date and you pick the date. So it is selected from 19th of May 2021 to 15th of April. And also you can pass the picker type here as well, so it will pick only that particular type. So we only need to pick the months, so it will show, now it will only show the months to be picked, right? So that was the date picker. Also let's explore the time picker as well. It is similar. It will just show the time, the hour, minute and second value. Okay, so also you can implement few more methods or props in pickers, like if you want to disable few dates in the picker, so you can return those dates, those will not be selectable, and of course you can use this prop disabled if you want to disable the whole component. Alright, so that's it on the date picker and the time picker. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments. In the next video we will pick another topic from the Ant Design components. Stay tuned, see you in next video. Thank you.